Hi, today me and Kat are playing this washing machine game. I've seen someone play this game, so I wanted to check it out. Why is he built like that? Sir, did you sallow a radio?
She's got this whole blue, green, and purple theme going on, and somehow decided that my hair, which isn't even that red, is going to clash with everything and steal her spotlight. The whole thing started when she called me about the dress code. Everyone has to wear those specific colors or security will literally bar you from the door. That should have been my first red flag. Who needs security to enforce a color scheme? But then she drops the bomb about my hair. She tells me I need to dye it dark brown for her wedding day or get a short brown bob wig.
Respectfully,
not just any wig,
don't come near me
a short brown bob.
or
Like
this
she's
shop
thought about
ever
this
again.
for way too long. When I asked why, she said my hair looks like Merida from that Disney movie, and it's going to draw attention away from her. Here's the thing, my hair isn't even that red. My parents are way more ginger than me, and my sister, who's 8
it's
months
the
pregnant,
manager.
has longer,
My
more
bad.
ginger hair than mine. But Amy never said anything to them, just me. I laughed it off at first because I thought she was joking, but she kept pushing. She even posted on Facebook asking anyone with hair nobody replied, which should have told her something. My aunt, Amy's mom, called to apologize and begged me to just go along with it. She said Amy was stressed about the wedding and just wanted everything perfect. But perfect doesn't mean asking your family members to change their natural appearance. The worst part, Amy actually posted about this whole thing on Reddit thinking people would take her side. She showed me the post, all confident that strangers on the internet would validate her crazy demands. When it backfired, everyone called her out for being ridiculous. She tried to negotiate with me. Negotiation apparently meant her offering me 3 options. Dye my hair, wear the specific wig she picked out, or don't come. No compromise, no middle ground. Just complete control over how I look at her wedding. I'd already bought my dress, a beautiful one that actually goes perfectly with their color scheme. The money came out of my own pocket, so it's not like I owed her anything. But she was still fixated on my hair being this massive problem. The whole family got involved. My parents came over to try talking sense into me, but they couldn't get anywhere with Amy either. She kept insisting my hair was this flaming red disaster that would ruin all her photos, which is insane because if you actually look at my hair, it's more blonde than anything else. What really got to me was when she said
Yuck, you are
security might not
ugly.
let me in if I showed up with my natural hair. Like she'd given them specific instructions to watch out for the girl with the wrong hair color. The mental image of being turned away at the door because of
Mind if I put on some music?
heard of, period. No creativity, no solutions that didn't involve me fundamentally changing my appearance. The whole thing felt so personal, like she'd been looking for a reason to exclude me and finally found one she thought was reasonable. But as we planned to die earlier for the wedding, I kept thinking about how uncomfortable I'd be at the wedding. Even if I gave in to her demands, she'd probably spend the whole day staring at me, making sure my wig was on straight or my hair dye hadn't faded. I'd be walking on eggshells instead of celebrating. The family pressure got intense. Everyone kept saying I was being dramatic and that it was just one day. But it wasn't just one day. It was my cousin telling me my natural appearance was unacceptable, that my hair was somehow offensive enough to entertain me. So I made my decision. I told Amy I wouldn't be attending her wedding. To continue, swipe left to then tap the pencil. So my cousin Amy is getting married.
So, yeah, that was the red story. Did you like it? It just came red.
Cut the music, she ran me over. Bro, I was literally just ran over and you still care about that stupid garbage? Oh my god, she scared me so bad. Who are you? I got ran over again, dude. No, he actually scared me. Are you stupid? Read the sign. not any other washing machine stores here? I kid you not, I actually got scared while editing this part.
I don't know if you saw that, but I did.
No, we sell washing machines. Bro, I don't care where you're going. Just get your stinky clothes and get the hell out. Straight up bars. Why are you here, sir?
Yo, I saw a dude with a knife out there.
Obama? don't see any. You never know. We should. Now, come back here and pay me. So we got some dab. I literally can't read any else but dab.
OMFG, stop and cry.
$30? That's actually too much for a towel. I thought that was Kat. Hello? actually just told you it was from a close-by shop, but whatever. Wow, she Whoops, I did not mean to shoot again. No. Never mind, let me outside. Gosh. How is he still alive? You literally shot him like 47 times. Stabbed me. Don't gotta tell me twice. Yay. WTF.